Ever heard the word investing and felt a wave of confusion? Stock market tickers, fancy terms. It's like a secret language, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're cracking the code. We're breaking down investment strategies in plain English. No finance degree required. Subscribe, hit the bell. Let's turn you into a confident investor. First up, why even invest? Can't I just save my money? Well, you could, but inflation is a sneaky villain. Your money loses value over time, like a melting ice cube. Investing helps your money grow, beating inflation and building your wealth. It's like planting seeds instead of just burying them in the backyard. Now, let's talk about risk. It's the roller coaster part of investing. High risk can mean high reward, but also high losses. It's not for the faint of heart. Low risk is safer, but the growth is slower. It's like a scenic train ride, not a thrill ride. Your risk tolerance is personal. How much excitement and potential loss can you handle? This will shape your investment choices. Now, the fun part. Different investment strategies. Each is like a different path up the mountain of wealth. Choose what suits you. First up, value investing. Think bargain hunting, but for stocks. You're looking for companies undervalued by the market, like hidden gems. Warren Buffett is the king of this, patient and looking for long-term growth. It's like finding a designer coat at a thrift store. The value's there, just gotta spot it. Next, growth investing. This is about spotting the next big thing. Think tech companies, innovative startups, the ones with huge potential. It's riskier, but the payoff can be massive. Like betting on a rookie athlete who becomes a superstar. But be warned, not every startup makes it. Do your research, don't just chase hype. Now, let's talk about dividend investing. This is about steady income, like collecting rent from your investments. Companies pay you a portion of their profits just for owning their stock. It's great for those seeking regular cash flow, like retirees or those building passive income. It's like having a flock of golden geese, laying eggs of money for you. Next up, index fund investing. This is the set it and forget it approach. Index funds track the whole market, like owning a tiny slice of everything. It's low cost, diversified, and historically performs well over the long run. It's like owning a buffet instead of just one dish. You get a taste of everything. And for the socially conscious, ESG investing. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. You invest in companies doing good for the world, not just making profit. It's about aligning your money with your values, making a positive impact. It's like supporting your favorite local farmers market instead of a giant corporation. Now, let's talk about asset allocation. This is about balancing your portfolio. It's like building a team. You need different players with different strengths. Stocks, bonds, cash. The mix depends on your age, goals, and risk tolerance. Younger? More stocks, you can handle the ups and downs. Closer to retirement? More bonds for stability. Rebalance regularly, kind of like tuning up your car to keep things running smoothly. And don't forget, dollar cost averaging. This is about consistency, not timing the market. Invest a set amount regularly, no matter what the market's doing. It's like buying groceries every week. Sometimes prices are high, sometimes low, but you still need to eat. Over time, it smooths out the bumps and helps you buy at an average price. Now, let's bust some investing myths. Myth number 1, you need to be rich to invest. Nope. Start small. Even $50 a month makes a difference. Myth number 2, investing is gambling. It can be if you're reckless. But with knowledge and strategy, it's about calculated risks. Myth number 3, you need to be a genius to understand it. Not true. Today's video proves that. And remember, emotions are the enemy of good investing. Fear and greed can lead to bad decisions. Stick to your plan. Don't panic sell. It's like driving a car. Stay focused on the road, not the distractions. So, there you have it. Investing simplified, no jargon, just smart strategies. It's about finding your path, what suits your goals and risk tolerance. Start small, be consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time. Remember, this is for education, not advice. Do your research before investing. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.